So this is the part 2. My phone fell and it disconnected the video, but yeah, 279 around that. So now we're gonna do we're gonna wrap a pot off this pot of paint. See how is she shooting. So it's not, you know, it's not going above 285. It's the highest I got the chrono on this shit, which I don't know. I gotta get me a better chrono. I appreciate it for my buddy lending me his, you know. Can't be, you know, that piggy because you ain't got shit. Gotta appreciate. Alright. Let me see this. Come on, buddy. Oh. Come on, buddy. I hate these things. I hate these things sometimes. Bam, bam. There she is. That's my setup. Not that light. I mean, not that light. Not that heavy. I love this bitch. Vamp. Blah, blah. Now you guys gonna see me shoot it. There's but a motherfucking power. This is cheap paint, bro. This cheap paint. This cheap ass paint. So we gotta put it in here. Alright. Alright, fellas, I'm trying to clock you in. Oh, I'm trying to clock you in. Oh, the hopper's off. So we have right now 4,000 still. So I have 4,000. It's a 4,500 tank, 68 Empire. And you guys can see that. Yep, 6845. 1,000. About to shoot. So we're gonna see right now 4,000. It's a pod. We're gonna see how efficient it is with the 16.8 dual. Everything's stock on it right now. Highest chrono at 285. All right. Done. Turning her off. I won't have it of that. Alright, now she has. Ooh! I'm sure she got 34, 35. Damn, that bitch got like. She got like three between 3 and 35. One pod. So you damn know shit. It's not efficient at all. Now. We're gonna degas it. We're gonna do the setup now. We're gonna do. I have 2 setups. I'm gonna post them up. I got them from 2 other people. Like I said, one of them is a madman mode. Got it off his video with the light ram. I don't know why everybody likes the light ram. These come with 2. These come with 2, they come with 2 rammers, a light and a heavy. Some people like, I don't know, everybody likes the light on it. Some people like the heavy. They say that the heavy has a lesser kick. You guys let me know what you guys think. That was all stock. Dual 16.8. My air was at 4,000. It went down to 30. Say about 30. More than 35 for sure. 34, 33. So it chugged. I'm gonna put now my dual. I'm putting it down to 13.5. And now I'm gonna shoot another pod. gonna be another video though, not on this one. Or you know what? I might do it quick right now and do it. I gotta adjust my LPR when I do the light ram. You unscrew this stuff right here. Make sure there's no air in the gun before you do all this. Make sure. Take out your bolt. Put it somewhere nice so it won't get dirty or it falls. Now you gotta carefully unscrew this with an Allen key. Your ram's gonna come out. You gotta adjust your OPR after, and you gotta corner your gun, because it could make your gun go higher or just lower than like 250, 245. You don't want that. You're not gonna be shooting very low. But it is at 10 balls per second. That was 10 balls per second that you just saw. I love her. I'm more like of a back player. I say all around, but I love just ripping her. Let me get to that. Hopefully I could post it on this video too. I'll get back to you guys shortly on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.